Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I've been thinking about a quick, easy DIY that I could do with these brass rings here. So I decided I'm going to be using them, making some wall decor. I'm going to be painting them black. So while I'm letting them dry, I'm gonna just go ahead and jump in. I'm going to be measuring this yarn. I'm not for sure how long, but I want to make sure it's long enough. That way it's long enough for the project that I'm trying to do. So I'm going to measure this one probably about 8 inches. This would be for the small. So I'm going to just cut these into strips. But I'm going to go ahead and just wind them up together and then I'll cut them afterwards. I'm not for sure how many strands this is, but I will definitely count them and leave them in the description box below. Now I'm going to take these skewer sticks and I'm going to be using a total of 4 because I know that the larger ring will need extra length to it. Start gluing my little strings on this skewer stick one by one. This project does take a little time, but it's worth it. complete this until I get almost to the end, at least 3 inches. Okay, I'm going to add glue on the back part of the stick and just wrap the ends inward. That way it seals it all the way around. Okay, this is how it looks. Set it aside. Start on the next one. Okay, now I'm starting on the large one. I actually took and added 2 of the skewer sticks together, probably about 3 inches on each end, and added them together. And I'm just adding my yarn to it. Okay guys, my rings are completely dry, and all I'm going to do is take and glue my skewers to the ring. Now I'm going to add a few pieces of yarn. And I'm using hot glue, but if you want a very sturdy project, use E6000 and your hot glue, because this is brass and it tends to get cold, and if it gets cold then it's going to harden the glue and it's going to come loose. So you want to add E6000 and follow it up on the sides with extra hot glue. And all I'm doing is taking my strands, making sure I have them straight, and pulling them inward and gluing them to. This was one of the reasons why I wanted my yarn to be long. That way I had enough yarn to be able to cover the entire project. Start to the other side. And I'm just gluing them around the bottom ring here. See where it came a loose here? That's why I say you definitely would need to use E6000. Okay, you want to just cut all your string completely off. You want to make sure the edges are glued pretty good. Clean it up around the edges. Now I'm going to be adding beads to the end. Now all you will need to do is just add 3 beads. I'm going to add the hanger. Now all I'm going to do is just glue the bottom 2 strands together. Slide my bead, take it and loop it on my brass ring, pull it down, clip the end a little bit. That's how it looks. Now I'll go ahead and finish the rest. Here's the final look. Guys, tell me what you think. Like I said, if you want a sturdier project, make sure you use E6000 glue. And this will secure your project. But leave your comments below. I think they turned out cute. Everything that I use will be linked in the description box below. If you're not part of the channel, please subscribe. And as always, I'm wishing you all love, peace, and happiness. Bye.